Okay, good morning everyone. Today we will do the chapter comparisons. Okay, so grammar topic है आपका comparisons. So first of all, I want to ask you some questions regarding this chapter. So you will write the answers of those questions in the chat box. Okay, students. So first of all, I want to see which word is used to do the comparison between two things in your book. The comparison is done. The what you have to do, you have to do the comparisons in two things. आपके जो बुक में ये सिलेबस में आपके you have to do the comparison in between two things. So which word is used to do the comparison? Okay, uh, according to the syllabus, which word is used? Verb, noun, or describing word? Out of these three, which one is used to do the comparison? कौन सा वर्ड जो कंपैरिजन के लिए यूज किया जाए? ओके, ई आर मोर आई नो देन, बट व्हाट इज दैट वर्ड? व्हाट इज दैट वर्ड? कौन सा मैंने बोला था? डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड या वर्ब या नाउन? आउट ऑफ दीज थ्री विच इज यूज्ड? किससे हम कंपेयर करते हैं? कंपेयर किससे करते हैं? डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड से या वर्ब से या नाउन से? Which word is used to do the comparison? Verb? No, Sirat Kaur, verb is not used. क्या बोला था? Special things, I think, special word I told you कि okay, with these words we do the compare. Yes, describing word. Abhinav Parmar, very good of you. Yes, describing words or adjectives. Very nice. One and same thing. Very good, Raghav. You have written adjective. Abhinav, you have written describing words. Very nice. So both of you. Yes, दो both are same things. या describing words कह लो या adjective कह लो, both are same things. Okay, so adjective or descriptive words are used to do the comparisons. Okay, okay, what we attach, which letters or which word is attached to the describing words to do the comparison between two things? क्या word हम attach करते हैं जिससे हम दो चीजों में compare करते हैं adjective के साथ? What is attached? Special, yes. Group of letter or yes, er, very nice. Ek will sing er. One more word is there, er is there. Yes, one more thing is there which we attach. Yes, more, very nice, more. Okay, with some adjective we use er, with some adjective we use more. Okay, just like अगर large है तो larger. Between two things, if we do the comparison between two things, we say, we use the word larger. Okay, हम er large के साथ लगाते हैं. If we say, if we take the example of beautiful, if we want to compare two things, so more beautiful will be used. Okay, दो चीजों के compare में more beautiful word will be used. Okay, I think it's clear. Yes, than is also used because दो चीजों में कंपेयर करने के बाद हम लगाएंगे than this. Okay, Neha is more beautiful than Snehal. Okay, so Neha and Snehal, the comparison is between these two, and more beautiful than Snehal. पहले पहला नाउन, फिर उसकी क्वालिटी आएगी जिसको हमने कंपेयर करना है, फिर दूसरा नाउन जिसके साथ कंपैरिजन करना है. ओके, चलिए लेट्स do the activities. Yes, I think my screen is clearly visible to you. So first activity is, let's do the comparison between the following. Okay, आपको compare करना है. Okay, one pic is there. Two girls are there. One is wearing green dress and one is wearing purple dress. Okay, so please tell me now which word will be here. The girl in green dress is dashed than the girl in purple dress. So taller. Yes. So student, we have attached er with it. हमने er को attach किया है इनका comparison करने के लिए. Taller. Okay, taller word is used to do the comparison between these two girls. Okay, taller. हमने tallest नहीं किया, अकेला tall नहीं किया. Okay, अगर हम अकेले green dress वाली girl की बात करते, if we talk about the girl all wearing only green dress, Okay, only we talk about this girl only. So हम कहते हैं the girl in green dress is tall. Okay, but now we are doing the comparison with the girl in purple dress. So it will be taller. Okay, if we talk about only the girl wearing green dress, फिर हम कैसे लिखते sentence? If purple, the girl wearing purple dress is not there, then the girl in the green dress is tall. Okay, but now we are doing the comparison. We are doing the comparison with the girl in purple. Then girl in green dress is taller than the girl in purple dress. ग्रीन ड्रेस वाली गर्ल जो है वो पर्पल ड्रेस वाली गर्ल से लंबी है, taller. Okay, okay, the next is the hair is dash than the tortoise. The hair is dash than the tortoise. Okay, so here picture of hare and tortoise is there. अब बताइए, fast is there. The hare is a fast animal, हम कह सकते हैं. ठीक है, we can say the hare is fast animal. Okay, the hare is, now the comparison is there with tortoise. ना टॉर्टाइस के साथ कंपैरिजन है, तो टॉर्टाइस तो क्या है, टॉर्टाइस से ज्यादा तेज भागता है, तो विच वर्ड विल बी यूज्ड? फास्टर. द हेयर इज फास्टर देन द टॉर्टाइस. वेरी नाइस प्रियंका, कैले, किरण, नूर, प्रभनूर, समर, वेरी नाइस राघव, सलमान, वेरी नाइस. Very good response I am getting from you people. Very good. That's very good of you. Okay, students. Now, yes. Okay. See the picture. Okay. The picture of lizard and snake. Lizard or snake की picture है. Okay. The lizard is dash than the snake. अब what we are comparing here. We are comparing here the size. Last में, in the last, here we have compared the quality. Okay, taller, faster. So here in this picture, or picture of lizard and snake, we are comparing the size. So here the lizard is dash than the snake. The lizard is what? Smaller. Very nice. Very good, students. Smaller, smaller, smaller. Very nice. Please, Ketan, check the spelling of smaller. It's SMALLER. Okay. You have written the spelling in a wrong way. Okay. Please take care of this thing. Take care of spellings. Okay. The lizard is smaller than the snake. Okay. What is this lizard and snake? These are reptiles. What are reptiles? Reptiles क्या होते हैं? Anybody knows? What are reptiles?
I know.
Okay, speak out. What are reptiles? Speak out.
जो क्रॉल करते हैं.
Very nice. जो एनिमल्स जो क्रॉल करते हैं, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं रेंगते हैं. ओके, क्रॉल करते हैं, those are called reptiles. Very nice, reptiles. Okay, now the next picture is of honey and sugar. Okay, honey is dash than sugar. Now the word adjective is sweet. So which word? Sweeter. Beta ek भी no more sweet नहीं, sweeter. Okay, honey is sweeter than sugar. honey sugar से ज्यादा मीठा होता है. Sweet मतलब मीठा. So sweeter का मतलब ज्यादा, उससे ज्यादा मीठा. दो चीजों के बीच में कंपैरिजन है. Okay, very nice. That's very nice of you. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, yes, this is the next slide now. Very nice. Okay. Very nice, Harshit, Raghav. Yes, Bhavesh. Very nice, sweeter. Very good of you. I'm getting very good response. Today I'm getting very good response from this green and pink class. Very nice. Bigger. Beta Harshvine, bigger is not there. Okay. Oh, you are talking about this slide. Okay. Okay, students. Now fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjective आना था. Yes. I think. Yes. Of word. Okay. Please mute yourself, everyone. So the first is the sun is dash than any other star. So you have to, you are given the word big. बिग मतलब साइज, आपने सन का साइज कंपेयर करना, एनी अदर, अदर मतलब दूसरे स्टार से, दूसरा स्टार, ठीक है। दूसरा स्टार मतलब कि और कोई एक स्टार, दो चीजों के बीच में कंपैरिजन है, अदर स्टार्स नहीं है, अदर स्टार है, स्टार्स हो नहीं है, वर्ड स्टार है, स्टार मतलब कोई भी एक और स्टार, ठीक है। सो दो चीजों के बीच में कंपैरिजन है, सन और एक और स्टार में, ठीक है, कोई भी एक और स्टार में। सो सन इज डैश देन एनी अदर स्टार, सो बिग इज देयर, यस बिगर। सो स्टूडेंट्स दिस थिंग यू हैव टू सी कि हमने जो ई आर लगाना है, द ई आर वी आर गोइंग टू अटैच, तो what change will be there in the given word? Okay, if we want to attach er with big, then we will write double g, b-i-double-g-e-r, जैसे okay, somewhere we don't attach any letter from our side, somewhere we have to attach. So here with big we will use extra g then er, bigger. Very nice, means with the practice only you will come to know about these words, bigger. Very nice, the sun is dash than any other star, it's bigger. Okay, so the second one is an elephant has a dash memory than any other animal, than any other animal. अब सी नाउ बच्चे, एनी अदर एनिमल किया है, एनिमल मतलब कोई एक और दूसरा, एक मतलब कि दूसरा कोई भी एक, बाकी जितने भी एनिमल्स है ना, टेक एनी वन फ्रॉम दोज एनिमल्स, ठीक है, उसके साथ वी हैव कंपेयर्ड द मेमोरी ऑफ एलिफेंट। सो मेमोरी मतलब, कैन एनीबडी टेल मेमोरी, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मेमोरी? कैन एनीबडी टेल मेमोरी क्या होता है? व्हाट इज मेमोरी? Stronger is okay, you are writing stronger. What is memory? Please tell me.
याददाश्त याददाश्त
Yes, very nice, very nice.
याददाश्त
Yadasht. Okay.
याददाश्त
To keep something in mind for long period. Okay. That is called memory. Okay. So elephant has a stronger memory. Stronger means ज्यादा अच्छी. Okay. ज्यादा अच्छी memory है दूसरे एनिमल से, किसी और दूसरे एनिमल से। ओके, द एलिफेंट। नाउ दिस इज अ जीके क्वेश्चन आल्सो कि एलिफेंट की मेमोरी जो होती है दैट इज वेरी गुड मेमोरी। ओके, एलिफेंट जितना साइज में बड़ा होता है ना, उतना मेमोरी में भी उतना ही बड़ा होता है। जस्ट लाइक इट्स साइज, इट हैज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग memory. Okay, but if we compare with other animal, then with the other one animal stronger. Okay, it is stronger. Okay, now third sentence is Virat is dash than other cricketer. Virat is dash. Now see, now yeah, very nice, very nice. More Raghav Salwan, very nice. It means you know which word will be attached here. With sentence number 1 and 2 we have attached er, but here in number 3 we will use more. See, with the practice only you have come to know. Yes, मैंने popular नहीं बोला, we more popular. Okay, okay, more popular. So here we have used the word more popular. Which word is used? More popular. No, बच्चे Saksham Dhingra, this is wrong. More popular. Please see what teacher is saying. More popular. So here we have attached the word more. Okay. See, with the practice only, you will come to know which type of words are to be attached. Here you will write more. Okay. So more popular word is there. More. Okay. More popular. Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, number 4 is China has a dash population than any other country. किसी दूसरे country से, yes, large, more large or larger. Which word will be there? Larger, very nice. More large नहीं हो सकता क्या? Can't it be more large? Yes or no? No, very nice. No, Prabnur, very nice. It is always larger. So you have to see what to attach, ER or more. With the practice only, you will come to know. Okay, larger. China, चाइना की जो पॉपुलेशन है, पॉपुलेशन क्या होता है? Yes, what is population? What is population?
मैम आबादी
हाँ जी,
मैम आबादी मैम आबादी
आबादी। ओके ओके, Very nice. In Hindi or Punjabi, it's called abadi. Otherwise, a number of persons living in a particular area, जिनकी density, that is called population. कितनी ज्यादा number of people. You can say आप तक के standard में, up to second standard, it's okay. Number of people living in a country. Okay, number of people. Up to your standard. Otherwise, जैसे जैसे आप बड़ी क्लासों में जाओगे, you go into the higher classes, you will come to know about the what is the proper definition of population. Okay, now up to this standard number of people living in a country, that
मैम
this is okay.
मैम
हाँ जी बोलिए बच्चे.
मैम मैम वो नहीं होगा लार्जेस्ट
नहीं बच्चे, कंट्री यहाँ पे कंट्रीज देन एनी अदर कंट्री आएगा बच्चे, कंट्रीज नहीं कंट्री आएगा, बिकॉज हमने कोई एक कंट्री के साथ कंपेयर करा है. ठीक है, नाउ सी एनी अदर कंट्री, ठीक है, अदर कंट्री. ठीक है, सो here we will use word larger. Okay, as see in number 1 2 3 we have used with कोई और एक country, कोई और एक स्टार, कोई और एक क्रिकेटर, कोई और एक एनिमल.
अच्छा ये पकड़, मैं चश्मा पकड़ा रही हूँ.
मैम प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ, please take care of this thing. Okay students, so now I am going to show you the next slide. Okay student, in this slide what you have to fill, now pictures are given. I have not given any word. With the help of the pictures only, you will tell about the size of different animals. Now the comparison of two animals is done in each sentence. 4 sentences are there and comparison of animals is done in each sentence. Now please see sentence number 1. Now how many pictures are there? 3 pictures are there. Dog, horse and elephant. Okay, so first we will put the number also, number of sentence also. Number 1 is the dog is dash than horse. So what about size? Yes, smaller in size. Yes, smaller. Okay, I am not getting if you don't put the number. I will not get if you don't put the numbers. Okay, okay, the dog is smaller than horse. Very nice. Okay, the horse is dash than dog. The horse is dash than dog. Yes, the horse is dash than dog. Yes. Which word? Bigger. Put the number, bachi. Yes. Number 2, bigger. Yes. Sentence number 2. Because in all the blanks, you have to fill the size. So how will I come to know about which animal you are talking about, which comparison you are talking about? Okay. Yes. 2 bigger. Very nice. Number 2, sentence number 2, bigger. Very nice. Okay, sentence number 3, the elephant is dash than horse. Elephant is dash than horse. Beta, please compare the size. I have told you have to compare the size. Okay, so elephant is dash than horse. Number 3, elephant is dash than horse, bigger. Very nice, bigger. Elephant is bigger than horse. Very nice, good, very good. Okay, fatter is okay. Fatter is also nice, but here we are, yes, we are talking about the size only, bigger or larger or smaller. Okay, yes. Number 4, the horse is dash than elephant. Yes, horse in size, smaller. Yes, very nice. Okay, bigger or smaller we are comparing. We are not comparing fatter or thinner. Okay. Yes, very nice. So students, this was all about today's teaching. So please go through this chapter of comparisons. Do extra practice of using the adjective to do the comparison between two things. This way you will come to know with which adjective, with which describing word we will use ER and with which describing word we will use more. In the next lecture, I will give you the practice of some more words so that you can come across the words. Okay, maximum words you will come to know about those words. Which word you have to use ER, with which word you have to use MORE, more. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you everyone.